Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Luc Hollywood. In this video I'm going to show you how to make mad cash with DewrDaysh. I just got off of my first job, which means it's time to start job number 2. And that's DewrDaysh, baby. The first thing I'd advise you to do is to dress nice. I usually go with like a button-up shirt. DewrDaysh does provide you with a shirt and a hat when you first join and go in for the interview. But they also tell you that it's optional and that you're more likely to get robbed if you wear it. So I usually just go with the button-down shirt. Next thing you're going to want to do is when you're getting ready, just take your phone out and open up your apps, because this is an app-based job, so you're going to be using your apps a lot. Of course there's the Dasher app, but I'd also recommend getting an app that keeps track of your miles so that you can use that for your taxes at the end of the year. I use the Stride tax app. This job does do some wear and tear on your car, but I think it's worth it at the end of it all. I'm still waiting for the math on that to all add up, but I'm pretty sure it all works out. So yeah, you want to keep track of your miles. Now we're going to go ahead and come back into the DewrDaysh app here. When you go to start your dash, this checklist is going to come up, and so you're just going to want to make sure you have all this stuff. You've got the charged phone, enough gas, the red card, and a hot bag and space blankets. My location did not provide me with the space blankets, but I don't know if there's really a problem with that or not, but they said it wasn't a problem. They did give me the delivery bag, which most of the time is too small for the things you're going to be delivering, but we'll see how it goes. You usually just bring it in just to show that you work for them. Okay, so we've got all the stuff, so we're going to go ahead and start dashing. Now we're pretty much just going to wait until one comes in, so you can kind of just set your phone down and just sort of kick it. Okay, well it looks like we're getting one here. Okay, and I'm going to be going to OG's Pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and put that into the navigation here. I've already tracked my miles on the Stride app, so now I'm going to start her up, and we are off to go on the delivery. So now we're just on our way to the location. It's going to take about 15 minutes to get there, and then probably another 15 minutes to get from there to the house we're delivering to. Alright, so just don't forget your hot bag when you go in to do this, and you're good to go. Alright, got the food in the hot bag here. All that's left to do now is just make the delivery. Here we go. So there's really not any skill to it or anything. I'm not sure why you need to watch a video online to learn how to like make more money with this job. It's sort of just is what it is. Alright, so now I'm at the customer's house. I'm just finding a spot to park. Alright. I have parked at the customer's house. Now I will just bring the hot bag full of food with me and deliver it to the customer. I will be right back. Yeah!